On Long Island, a drive-through clinic is being put in place at Jones Beach. It will be up and running at some point this week, and you must have an order from a doctor to visit. You cannot just show up there, so keep that in mind. The number of cases continues to grow in Nassau County, up to 109, including a new case at the Nassau County Correctional Facility where an inmate has tested positive. At new information in Suffolk County, 2 deaths are now being reported there, a man in his 80s and a man in his 90s. Many wondering what's next to close, and no surprise, that includes malls and personal service stores. Sam Ryan is live in Northport with that part of our coverage. Sam?
Yeah, and as more and more people are practicing social distancing, the local businesses, the small businesses, and the personal services businesses, they are feeling the impact here, from the number of clients they're seeing now to the impacts that they're feeling as far as precautionary measures.
We normally have about 10% of the people that cancel because of sickness. But this weekend it went for 25%, and this morning it went to 50%.
Keith May is the executive director of Island Sports Physical Therapy and has noticed a change in the number of clients in the last few days alone. But he, along with other local personal services businesses, are doing their part to ensure a healthy and safe environment for their clients.
We've been spreading our patients out. We have zone over here for treating patients, private rooms for treating patients, and a zone over there for treating patients. Every time a patient gets off a piece of equipment, they're wiped down.
So we 1,000% check in with people, making sure that before they enter the building, that obviously they don't have any of the symptoms or signs, that they don't have a fever. If people want to cancel, we're respecting that as well. Whatever they need to feel the most cared for is what we're here to do for them.
We're using a very good universal precaution. We're wiping everything down. None of the hairdressers that are here are sick. If they don't feel well, we ask them to stay home. We've been getting phone calls. People are booking highlights and balayage and haircuts, thank God. And
while we are in uncertain times, some are looking ahead and making adjustments as best they can to work with their clients.
They may have a video conference with their therapist. Maybe their therapist can give them some tubing and they could do exercises from home.
And if there is a moment where we do need to close our doors and honor the social distancing, whether that be tomorrow, next week, whenever it be, I 1,000% will abide by those plans and those wishes, because I'm in this with everyone else as well.
Yeah, and hearing from some local business owners that they're dealing with staffing issues with all schools closed. Some of the employees are dealing with child care issues right now, but overall there's a sense of unity as many know that we're in this together.